What's going on, guys? Will here, back with another video, another car sort of modification video. Obviously we don't do nothing too drastic at the moment. However, we've got something that could change the aesthetic and the look of the car quite dramatically up for you today. So what we're going to be doing is de-chroming like the trim around the outside of the window. Yeah, for me, I'm just not a fan of it. I'm not a fan of the chrome look. I prefer it all blacked out. I prefer darker colours. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Before we start though, I just want to go through a couple of things with you. So thank you so much for your support recently. We've been getting quite a few views on some of the videos. For instance, the RS3 style grille one, that's nearly at 500 views. So thank you so much for that. If you do enjoy the content and the video today, please remember to give it a like, comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff in the future, for instance, some more modifications, some other stuff to do with cars, like services, things like that, some car reviews. So please stay tuned, stay subscribed, ding dong that bell. Yeah, it's going to be a good journey. I mean, as I said in the previous video, we're going to try and go for 2 videos a week very shortly. I haven't done just yet, just because I haven't had time to edit 2 videos a week at the moment and record it all. But this week I made it my point to record as much as possible. So I've recorded 3 videos. So what I'm going to be doing is doing 2 a week from now and try recording a couple a week and going from there really. So I don't know what the lighting's doing, so apologies for that if not. Just a warning for this video though, I had to do an intro and outro just because I forgot to do it. But it is what it is. So yeah, please leave your feedback in the comments down below. Like I say, give this video a like. Stay tuned for Wednesday when we do a little bit of a different video. I've just purchased something which I'm quite excited about, so we'll probably do a video reviewing that and trying to get used to that and getting used to the best angles and everything like that. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Just before we kick this video off, I just want to give a big shout out to my boy Liam for helping me do this. He's done a couple of other jobs wrapping cars and wrapping little bits and bobs on cars. So yeah, thanks to him for helping me out. We're quite close. He helps me out with all my car stuff and sort of shows me what to do. So I'm learning. I want to show you guys how to do it as well. So he's like my little mentor. That's going to be in the next few videos as well. So yeah, be sure to check out his Instagram down below. We'll go from there. Enjoy the video, guys. Hello everyone, Will's back here with another car video tutorial, whatever. We're going to be modifying this chrome strip here. So I've got the help of my friend Liam. Basically what we're going to be doing today is just de-chroming that. He's going to help me because he's got some experience in wrapping, and hopefully it looks 100 times better. So yeah, let's do this, see what happens. Right, so the first step, what we've got to do is actually clean it. As you can see, it's quite dirty. So we need to clean the surface, make sure it's all ready, all prepped and ready to wrap. So that's what we're going to do now. We've got the soapy water down there. Let's go wrap it. Cool, so now that we've cleaned the surface, we need to dry it off with a new blank cloth. I've got a J cloth, what you get from the kitchen, but that's all I had. So we're just going to dry it off now, and then we're ready and we're finished prepping. So Liam gave me this bad boy. It's a microfiber cloth. That wasn't working. Do not try that. Use a microfiber like a professional. Cool, so now that we've cleaned it, we need to prep it even more by just covering all of the paintwork so we don't scratch it when we cut it. We've got some masking tape, so you can go around all these edges around here. What you want to do is get proper close. So, just pick it up. You want to sort of get so there's only like a little bit of gap in there, just so you're not cutting the rubber or cutting the paintwork under here. So yeah. Cool, so we've done the masking tape and the prepping. I'm gonna leave the wrapping done to this guy because he's a professional at it. So I help him where I can, but the main bit's gonna be him. Mainly because I can't wrap for shit, so I always mess it up. So we're just gonna have a go. We've never wrapped using this dechroming tape, whatever it is. We've both never used it, so we'll see how it goes, see what happens really. We're just measuring up the wrap. I'm gonna work as like the cameraman because we need these angles. So I'm passing him the little sharp blade. So you must be careful. He's accident prone. Oh, cheers. So just cut the wrap to length. Left a bit of excess on there. Now what we've got to do is push it down along the sides. So we're just going to do this all the way around. So yeah, time lapse inbound. Yep, that's right. Cool, so it's actually day 2. We ran out of time on the first day. We ran out of time again on the second day because we started it a bit late today. But we have one full side done. So I'm going to show you the sort of mid-final project. There's a couple of touch-ups we're going to do to it in the future. But obviously from the start of what we've done, we can give you a rough idea on what it's going to look like both sides. We still got to clean a bit because the masking tape we put down was like super sticky for some reason. And it's just stuck on the paint. So I'm gonna have to get some like tar remover and whatnot and just get that off, but we'll show you what we've done today. We've actually come quite far, but yeah, a couple of little touch-ups to do and then we'll be done. Let's see it. Cool, so this is what we got. Like, this is what I see about that's what I mean about the masking tape. We'll get that off, no worries. But look at this, mad. There's some mad work on there if we got up close, especially on this top bit. So yeah, we'll just come further away so you can see. I'll do like a before and after as well here, so yeah. So yeah, it looks mad, so much better, all blacked out, especially with that mod we done the other day there with the detail logo all blacked out. But yeah, proper happy with that. Show you the other side quick. So done one, just got this side to do, but we'll do that another day. And yeah, we'll probably do that tomorrow actually, and also we'll get the car cleaned tomorrow as well because it's looking like a bit of a state at the moment. So yeah, stay tuned, see you guys tomorrow. Can we just appreciate how good this wrap looks like compared to what it was? Just ignore the dirt as well. I haven't had it cleaned in a couple of weeks, but yeah, it's looking so much better even from like a distance. That compared to what it was. I'm a massive fan of the murdered out look, so ignore the dirt. Absolutely insane. So happy with it. Like I say, follow my boy Liam on Instagram down below. He's done this as a job. It's absolutely incredible, man. And there we have it. That was wrapping the chrome trim on my Audi A3, de-chroming it, making it all black. Now the whole car is blacked out, murdered out and finished, and it's looking so good. I'm so happy with it. Once again, shout out to my boy Liam for helping me. His link will be down below as well if you want to go check his Instagram out. And yeah, stay tuned for some more videos. I'm really happy with how this channel's going at the moment. Happy with the videos that we've been making and the modifications we've done. Like I say, a bit different content coming up with a couple of reviews, a couple of sort of servicey type ones, showing you how to do that yourselves and save a bit of money. But yeah, and like I say, we're just going to be doing the two video a week setup moving forward. So I'll see you guys on Wednesday for the next video. If you did enjoy the video, please like, comment and subscribe down below. Ding on that notification bell to get a notification every time I upload. Your support is very much welcomed, and like I say, thank you for 500 views on that RS3 style video. But until Wednesday guys, I think that's it. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.